मरहम YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I am Professor Dr. Aisha Siddiqa. I am Head of Gynae Unit 2 at Ulan Medical College, Quetta. I am Counselor of College of Physician and Surgeon of Pakistan and Chairperson SOGP Balochistan Chapter. Today I want to share my knowledge on the topic of preterm delivery. First of all, we must know what is preterm delivery. Preterm delivery is the delivery of a fetus before 37 weeks of pregnancy. So, whenever a fetus is delivered before 37 weeks, or the layman language before 9 months, then there are so many risk factors which will affect the emotional and social health of the mother. It has been estimated that the global incidence of preterm delivery is 9.5, while in Pakistan the incidence of preterm delivery is 15.7%. And Pakistan is at the top of the list among those countries where preterm labor is more prevalent. And the incidence is increasing day by day. And it has been observed that the preterm babies have a great burden on the economy of the country. A preterm baby on the average lives for more than 25 days in the nursery, and we can estimate the charges of one night in the nursery on the average is more than 10,000. And another fact about the preterm delivery is that the preterm babies have low IQ as compared to the term babies, and it has been strongly recommended that we should try to know the cause of preterm delivery. The major causes of preterm deliveries are infections, multiple pregnancies, placenta previa, abruptio placenta, hypertension, cardiac diseases, abnormal position and abnormal lie of the fetus, trauma to the mother like road traffic accidents. So, to prevent preterm deliveries, we should know the cause, and until and unless we treat the cause, we cannot prevent it. It has been observed that the infant mortality of the preterm baby is greater as compared to the term babies. The number of babies who are dying before 5 years are comparatively larger as compared to the term babies. And literature shows that every year more than 3 million babies are dying before the age of 5 years, and majority of them are born before 37 weeks. Now, for us as an obstetrician and gynecologist, it is our responsibility to counsel our patient to avoid the risk factors and to find out the causes of preterm deliveries. And in my experience, the use of progesterone, especially cyclogest, which is used intravaginally or per rectal use in the dose of 200 to 400 pessaries per night, is very much effective in preventing the preterm deliveries. But the main point is to know the cause of preterm delivery. Diabetes mellitus is also a cause. So, screening for maternal blood sugar, random blood sugar, or whatever method is practiced in your unit or in your hospital, it's very important to screen mother for diabetes. I hope this video will help to reduce the incidence of preterm babies. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thanks a lot.
हम YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल के आइकन पर क्लिक करें।
अभी मरहम ऐप डाउनलोड करें और किसी भी मसले के लिए 2000 से ज्यादा स्पेशलिस्ट डॉक्टर से ऑनलाइन ऑडियो या वीडियो कॉल के जरिए बात करें।